In this video, we will demonstrate how to send ISDU commands using EtherCAT to TigoMaster 2TH. In the following example, we will send ISDU commands to a ball of proximity sensor which is connected wirelessly to our TigoMaster. We will use Beckhoff PLC connected to TigoMaster 2TH and communicate using EtherCAT protocol. In order to send ISDU commands in TwinCAT environment, we will use the ADS read for sending ISDU read command and ADS write for sending ISDU write command. These ladder blocks can be found in the TC2 system library. In general, the inputs for these blocks are network ID of the EtherCAT device, which is the TigoMaster in this case, the port number, which is the wireless port index. WP01 is 4096, WP02 4097, and so on. The index group will be always F302. The index offset, which is combined from index and sub-index, will have the first 4 digits, which is the ISDU index, and the following 4 digits is the ISDU sub-index. The length in bytes of the data we want to read or write, the address of the buffer, which is the data that holds the receive and send data, read-write bit to trigger the function, and a timeout. Now let's open the TwinCAT environment. In previous videos, we have already explained how to reload the ESI file, scan for the TigoMaster, and configure its wireless ports, and configure its process data. Now, we will import the PLC program in order to run the ISDU commands. The PLC program is attached to this article. So we'll right-click on PLC, click on Add Existing Item, browse to select the PLC program, once it's loaded, we can open and see under the POUs 2 new routines, read ISDU and write ISDU. In general, there is an option to read and write ISDUs directly from TwinCAT. If we'll click on the TigoMaster and go to the AOE Online tab, we can enter the port and we can enter the index offset. For example, if we want to read the vendor text, we'll use index 11 in hexa and sub-index 0. Clicking on read will return the vendor text, which is in this case the valve. The next step is to link the network ID. So we will right-click on the AOE network ID, click on the change link, and select the network ID tag. The next step is to link another tag for synchronizing the EtherCAT communication with the PLC program. Right-click on WC state, click on change link, and select the tag read ISDU, sync EC. Now we can reload the configuration. Once the configuration is loaded, we can open, for example, the read ISDU routine and click on login in order to be able to enter values and read the values online. We'll click on the port and enter 4096, which is port number 1. Index offset will be the value which represent index 11 in hexa and sub-index 0, and the length will be 20 bytes. We will trigger the read bit and click on read-write values. Once we will open the response tag array, we can see that we have read the vendor text and got all the information into the array of bytes. Same can be done using the write ISDU, entering the port number, index offset, length, and by triggering the bit write, we will write the ISDU. Thank you for watching this video.